Hey, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. I'm Deanna. Today I'm just like so excited because we're doing beauty advent calendars. I do have one chocolate one, but still we're doing advent calendars. I'm beyond excited and I don't know if we're gonna do like a weekly set of videos or if I'll do a daily or just a couple days, not sure. Comment below what you want to see or what you would like to see with my advent calendars. But anyways, let's go ahead and start opening these up. Yay! Alrighty, so I do have 5 advent calendars. My first one I have is a like chocolate one. I've gotten this one every year since I was little. My grandmother used to give these to me every year and now my mom is continuing that for me, which just warms my soul. It really does. So let's go ahead and find number 1 on here because these things are just so random. I'm like, I don't even know. 12, wait, I think, oh, this one says 1 right here. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. Please ignore my broken nails. It's just so sad. So let's see what this one is. Gonna pop it out. And it's some candlesticks. And, well, I guess a candlestick. And this is what it does look like. So, alrighty. So my next advent calendar, I have 2 that are 12 days that I'm gonna compile together to make 24 days. So I have Target's 12 Days of Beauty right here. And then I also got the Freeman's 12 Days of Glow face masks. I think I'm gonna open day 1 of the beauty first, and then tomorrow will be the first mask in here. I work all day tomorrow, but that's why I think I'll want a mask when I get home. So this is what this does look like. It's cute and holographic. On the back it does say what masks are in here. I have really not read anything on it. I've really done nothing except open it up. It has like the rainbow going on. Again, I didn't read any of them. I was just like, oh, this is pretty, and closed it right up like this. So let's go ahead and open the 12 Days of Beauty. Okay, so these are all in order, which is nice. So number 1 is right up here. Right here, so let's see what we got. Ooh! Ooh, tell me why I think I have this mascara in a full size. I do. Alright, so this is the Maybelline's Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect and Very Black. This is a fantastic mascara. I do really love. Yeah, and it looks like it's got the same little brush. This nice little scoop. Really good for like fanning these. So that's good. I didn't bring a mascara with me. I need this. So that's actually pretty good for day 1. I'm not mad. So let's go ahead and open up my other 2. Alrighty, so my next box I'm gonna go into is my GlossyBox. I bought this myself. I've been looking at these advent calendars for years now, and I decided that this was the year that I was gonna buy them. I'm really excited for this box. It looks really pretty. I'm gonna try and put it next to me so you guys can see. I'm in a chair. Obviously, what else would I be sitting in? So this is what it looks like on the inside. If I can get in here for you, like this. On this one side, oh gosh. Okay, this isn't that heavy, but it's heavy. Okay, so this one side, there are so many beautiful reasons to be happy. That's so true. Be happy, y'all. And then and on the other side it just says GlossyBox. What's this? It says there are so many, okay, it says spoiler alert. It says all products are revealed inside. Don't want to ruin the surprise, save this until the 25th. So I'm assuming that will tell me everything, obviously, so we're not gonna look into it. So I had my mom and my husband peek into these. They said that in each drawer it's a bunch of different numbers. Completely random, so I'm just gonna start with this first one, assuming 1 is in the top one, and we'll see. So we'll pull these drawers open with you. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, that's cute how this one's like written. So obviously this first one is 1. So let's go ahead and pull it out. This is hard. I'm gonna pull out 1 like this. I gotta put the box down, y'all. Gotta put it down. Here we go. We got number 1. Look how cute. This is a huge box to start off with, which probably is nice. Probably shouldn't shake anything. Alright, so we got some paper. Oh, I think, y'all, we start out with a palette. We're starting out with a palette. Oh, it's a face quad, y'all. This says it's Makeup Revolution. I know nothing else now. There's stickers and stuff. I want this. me, I'm poor. So let's see what this looks like together. Oh, it's a highlighting palette. These look like velvet. Like when you like look at them, they look really nice. What does this say? It's a face quad, incandescent. Contains 4 highlighting powders. No names for these. I wish they had names. I always wish they had names because I like how cute these names are. I'm just gonna swatch all 4 of these for you guys really quick. And this is what they look like on my fingers. I think they're gonna have like, they're not gonna be like a complete foil, but I think they're gonna have a nice shine to them for sure. Probably more natural of a glow. I love highlights, so I'm really obsessed and really excited. So let's go ahead and open my last advent calendar. Alrighty, so this is my last advent calendar. Oh, I'm so excited. This is the Body Shop's advent calendar. This is their largest one that you could purchase. I think this was like the ultimate or something like that. I can't remember. But my mom and my dad did get me this for Christmas. This is what I asked for, and I've heard such good things about this box every year for the past 2 years. So I am just beyond ecstatic to get one of these because I know they sell out so fast as an event. Like, I kid you not, I had told my mom about this months ago, and I like reminded her because she's like, hey, Mr. and Mrs. Claus want to know what you guys want for Christmas. Let us know. And I was like, hey, did you get, what about my advent calendar? And it was literally out of stock. I was like, oh, I'm not getting it. Or I could just like do the medium or whatever, not a big deal. And then, I kid you not, that same day, by like 5 o'clock, they were back in stock and my mom got it. So, yes. So, this is like super, super heavy. This one splits down the middle. I'm trying not to get these to like fall out. But this is what this does look like. Each little, there's like different little boxes everywhere. I'm trying to see how many. I see 24. I'm just assuming it's 24 days, which is awesome. And day number 1 is right above it. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this one out. This lady looks like she's going for the Christmas tree. And it says, millions of people all over the world are homeless. Help those in need by volunteering at your local shelter this Christmas. That's really cute that it has something like that on the, you know, the side of this. And I believe they also say it in Spanish on the other side. All right, so I'm gonna put this back just so I can, you know, have space and be able to see you guys. All right, so this is box little 1. Looks like she's sneaking some presents or trying to go through it. I don't know. We don't know. So let's go ahead and open this up. Alrighty, what do we have here? All right, we have this little thing. Let's read what it is first. It says the Body Shop Vitamin E Moisture Cream. This is what this does look like. It says lightweight facial moisturizer that protects and locks in moisture for all day hydration. Let's see if it has a scent to it as well. Definitely has a scent. It smells pretty. I actually really like the way it smells. It smells clean, just very clean. I like the way I really like the way this smells. Oh, I'm just like so excited to like try these out. I'm probably gonna wear some of these things tomorrow before I go to work. Except probably that highlighter. That's some eyeshadow real quick. So, and I got the mascara. Oh, perfect. And then I'll open up my boxes in the morning before I leave, so I might even get more stuff before I go. So you're probably wondering where I am. I'm actually in my old bedroom when I lived at my mom's. So I'm at my mom's house in Virginia, and I'm actually sleeping in my old bedroom. When I moved out, my sister like moved into my room and she remodeled this entire room. She painted the walls, added stuff. It literally looks like a hotel room in here. It's just, that's really what it looks like. And it's just clean, really nice. So yeah, this is where I'm at right now. So if you ever see me here, I'm at my mom's instead of at my house. Alrighty, so that does complete my little beauty advent calendars for day 1. I am so excited for day 2. So I will see you guys in the next one. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.